Alright, so we're on page 16, 2.2, combinational functions, page 16 and 17, simple review calculus. Alright, find the general expression for the n power of th derivative of f times x equals 1 over 3x plus 2. The answer, f of x equal 1 over 3x plus 2 equals 3x plus 2 to the power of negative 1, inverse power of 1. First derivative, f times x equals negative 1 times 3x plus 2 to the negative 2 power, the second power of negative 2, equals negative 3 times 3x plus 2 to the negative 2 power. Second derivative, f of x equals 6 times 3x plus 2 to the negative 3 power times 3 equals 18 times 3x plus 2 to the negative 3 power. Third derivative, f of x equals negative 54 times 3x plus 2 to the negative 4th power times 3 equals 162 times 3x plus 2 minus 4. The fourth derivative, f of x equals 648 times 3x plus 2 minus to the negative 5 power times 3 equals 1944 times 3x plus 2 to the negative 5th power. To express the nth derivative, a pattern that the sequence of derivatives must be found. First, it is noted that derivatives are alternatively negative and positive. The odd order of differentiation results in a negative value, and even under the order of differentiation in a positive value, this property can be expressed by negative 1 to the n power for the nth derivative, so whatever derivative it is. The coefficients of 3x plus 2, ignoring the sign, are 3, 18, 162, and 1944. The first derivative, n equals 1, 3 equals 3 to the 1 power equals 3 to the n power. Second derivative, n equals 2, 18 equals 3 to the second power times 2 equals 3n. And then we got the third derivative, n equals 3, 162 equals 3 to the third power times 3 equals 3n. And then the fourth derivative, n equals 4, 1944, 3 to the 4th power multiplied by 4. And we're going to emphasize that. The power of 3x plus 2 is considered. The first derivative, n equals 1, 3x plus 2 to the negative second power equals 1 over 3x plus 2 to the second power equals 1 over 3x plus 2 to the n plus 1 power. The second derivative, n equals 2, 3x plus 2 to the negative 3 power equals 1 over 3x plus 2 to the positive 3 power equals 1 over 3x plus 2 to the n plus 1. So I'm not going to explain the next one. It's just pretty straightforward, same sequence. And the fourth derivative, same sequence. Combining these results, the nth derivative is f of n times x equals negative 1 times n to the n power. You know,